Hello, everyone. Hey. Thanks everyone for coming. And wow, okay, I didn't know I have this big. How do I control these slides or I don't? Okay, cool. So yeah, my name is Jiao Sang, CEO and founder of Flock, and today I'm wearing our new shirt, like a pink-ish. It's quite cool, and if you like it, there's bunch of them there. So yeah, I'll just quickly go through what is Flock, and well, for those who don't know, and hopefully then we can bring lots of potential collaborations with our friends here, right? So Flock itself, actually, it's a pun. It's a combination of federated learning and blockchain. Flock. So during COVID, I developed myself as a comedian doing STEM shows, so that's why I like those pun names. So that's why I named it Flock. So the term federated learning is not something like super new. It developed in 2017 by Google, meaning that you have your local data stays in your local device, but we can still train a model in a collaborative way. And then the reason we add blockchain over to it is because you can't just believe in a third party, right? They can be evil. Like they can send your data in the back door. So we need on-chain governance. So that's the whole idea behind Flock. Yeah, so generally speaking, I think the deck is a bit out of the words, but fine. Basically, the story is that we don't want our AI to be controlled just by two mega companies. We want to make sure that everyone controls their own data, their own model. That's why we built this whole mechanism. Although I don't know why we can't see anything. So everything starts from a research paper, actually. We collaborate together with all our friends. Later, Zehua from our team will also talk about the research that he had led before and also the future initiatives. So we won the Best Paper Award in the top AI conferences, and then we decide to monetize it, make it a project. Yeah, we have a fantastic team. I think we have many people here, but somehow those PDF is not very well transformed into the computer. Maybe you're using Google Slides. That's a thing, right? So we need a unified form for all of this, so that in different softwares it doesn't go just off. But anyways, yeah, we have a fantastic team ranging from traditional industry to research and to crypto industry, and also even some from public sectors like Samiha used to work as chief of staff at UK Parliament, and Mohammed Marika used to be my boss. So, so they'll all have some talk today to talk about all their initiatives and how Flock gonna build in the future. Yes. So since the whole deck is in a mess, so I'll just talk quickly about the whole model behind the Flock as a technology and also as a token itself, and why we need this whole design, right? So it's not just a purely incentive thing, because in order to make governance on the model training, you need to make sure that an open system is not going to be attacked by malwares, by malicious attacks, by malicious clients. So that's why people had to stake to join the training, to stake to participate into the training. So that's our mechanism, a game theory, to make sure the whole system can be secured. So that's the whole value, and also the utility of the token itself, and also of the whole mechanism itself. Yeah, we've been doing our platform for quite some years. We launched it in testnet, of course on base Sepolia, and then merged to a mainnet, now live. I think it's, actually, back in our testnet time in Sepolia, we are the top volume on Sepolia, right? yeah. So now we're on base, on mainnet, of course, and then, recently you can see our popularity on base is very high. Thank you for the whole base team supports. This deck is, we should use PDF next time, by the way. It's all right. So hopefully the use cases are fine. Yes, so we've been developing lots of our interests and collaborations across industries, not only just Web3. We focus more on the traditional industry because this is a solution where traditional industry needs it, but they don't know how to solve it because there are so many crypto, blockchain type of aspect out of it, it's hard for them to understand everything, first of all. And secondly, there's a huge need for this privacy AI solution. For example, in areas like healthcare, public sectors, banking, right? So for example, as people might know, we are an AI partner of United Nations Development Program, which means that we're actually helping UNDP to deploy 20-ish initiatives across different countries across the world, helping their local country offices to deploy such many of the initiatives that can bring them up to speed with the newest AI technology and also maybe on chain, on base. So that's some of the talks that we're talking with the whole base team, bring many of the UN initiatives to base. Yes, and also there's one collaboration, maybe professors will talk about it later, with Korean University, Aegon Labs, about the drug discovery. That's probably first in the world that can do drug discovery across different countries, because traditionally, you can't really share those data between different countries, right? But with Flock technology, that's a secured way of multi-party, multi-interest groups to be joined together to do this large drug discovery collaboration. And there's a retail app, collaborating with London University College London Hospital called Baby4D for those new becoming moms who have their ultrasound scan, right? And then we render a face for the baby, and of course those images are quite sensitive. You don't want to send your medical data everywhere, like somewhere through the API to a server at SF and being checked or edited by someone behind the screen, and you have no idea who they are, right? So that's exactly the use cases where Flock can be fitted in. So yeah. Oh yeah, and also there's an engine we collaborated with Animal Health Brands, our investor, called Hey Annie. That's also another very interesting initiative, because lots of those IC nodes for the venture capitals are so sensitive. They don't want to share with each other. So we built this model so that VCs can join together, and that agent can check out your deck. And if your deck, if they think your deck is good, then you'll get a high score, and then Animal Health team will reach out to you. So you can try use this tool if you want to get attention from Animal Health Brands. So lots of the initiatives, and I think throughout today, many of my team will talk about the details of those initiatives and how our future steps will be. And according to our lawyer, there's a disclaimer. So for everyone here, please read through and tick the box. Thank you so much. Right, thank you so much.